To connect your Nighthawk router to an Xfinity modem, start by gathering the necessary equipment, including the Nighthawk router, Xfinity modem, power cords, and Ethernet cables. First, connect the power cord to the Xfinity modem and turn it on. Then connect the power cord to the Nighthawk router and turn it on. Next, locate an available Ethernet port on the Xfinity modem and connect one end of the Ethernet cable to it. Then connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to the Internet port on the Nighthawk router. Open a web browser on a computer or mobile device connected to the Nighthawk router and type the router's default IP address, which is usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Log in to the router using the default admin username and password, which can be found on the underside of the router or in the user manual. Once logged in, navigate to the Setup Wizard or Basic Setup page and select the Xfinity modem as the Internet connection type. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process, which may include entering the Xfinity modem's MAC address or configuring the router's IP address. Settings. After completing the setup process, save the changes and restart the Nighthawk router to apply the new settings. Your Nighthawk router should now be connected to the Xfinity modem and providing a stable internet connection to all devices on your network. To ensure optimal performance and security, update the Nighthawk router's firmware to the latest version and change the default admin username and password to a unique and secure combination. Additionally, configure the router's wireless settings, such as the network name and password, to match your desired network configuration. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully connect your Nighthawk router to an Xfinity modem and enjoy fast and reliable internet access throughout your home or office.